Welcome to the first video of this new chapter about 3D modeling, right? Finally. In this video, we will find out about 3 elements of any 3D model that are essential building blocks of any 3D model. And we will also talk about what meshes are in Blender, geometry, mesh. We will define these terms. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about 3D models. What are the elements or components of a 3D model? 3D models are made up of only 3 elements. Let's find out about them. The first thing is a point in space. Look at this black dot. It's a point in 3D space. It has a location, right? And in Blender, it's called a vertex. We can call it a point in space. Imagine there is another point in space, right? And we can join them or connect them with a line, right? So this line is called an edge in Blender. This is the defining edge of any 3D model. It defines the shape, overall shape of 3D model, right? Or these are these lines are the borders, in other words, borders of a 3D model. So this is the second component. So the first component is vertex. The second component is an edge or a line between 2 vertices. And the third component is called a face or polygon, which means if we have more vertices, we can fill inside the vertices and edges with a face, and this is a polygon. So the computer calculates this face and it assigns, now you can assign materials different properties to this face. If we don't have faces, we don't have 3D models. So actually all of these 3 components are essential. Without any of them, we can't have a 3D model. So this is the simple plane, right? Let's say, and we can create any complex 3D model by continuing this process, by joining more edges, more faces, and more vertices, right? More vertices, edges, and faces. We can create any 3D model. Now you can see a box, right? This is the mesh part of a 3D model. In order for 3D model to be complete and look realistic, we need one more thing, right? Which is called a material. But we will talk about, we talked about materials a little in a different video, but in the future we will talk a lot more about them, and we will show you how exactly you can create a material. So let's see some examples. For example, this is a mesh without any materials, and this is with materials, mesh with materials. So any 3D model that you see on the internet or anywhere made up of these 2 parts, mesh part, which is made up of 3 elements, right? Vertices, edges, and faces. And you slap some materials on it and you have the 3D model, right? Just like this. But remember, all 3D models are made up of 3 elements: vertices, edges, and faces, I'm sorry. Now let's jump into Blender, and here we will see in real life, right? And we will see what these mean in Blender. So in order to see the elements of any 3D model like this box, we have a big part of Blender which is called edit mode. So you change the modes from here, but remember to select the object before you are able to change this mode. For example, select this and come here and go to edit mode. And a really quick way of going into edit mode: select any object, 3D model I mean, and press tab to go to edit mode, and tab again to go out of edit mode. So edit mode is essentially the mode which allows us to model 3D models, right? Or to inspect, to edit any 3D model. So maybe you download some 3D models from the internet and you want to make some changes to them, right? You select the 3D model, you go to edit mode, make your changes, right? So edit mode is, as the name suggests, it allows us to edit 3D models. So now editing this box, which is a 3D model, And now I can show you what are those three elements. So by default, I can select the points in space, right? Points in space. Essentially, these are vertices or vertexes. And these lines, black outlined lines, are edges. And the faces are faces or polygons. So yeah, these are three elements. Now I can't select these points, right? But I cannot select this edge. I cannot. Or I cannot select this face. So how can I do this? So come right here, just next to this mode selector, we have selection options or selector modes, in other words, select modes. As you can hover, you can see this select mode. So by default, I have activated this vertex select mode. I can activate edge select mode, and I can select edges, right? I can activate face select mode. You can shift click and activate all of those modes all together, but you don't have to now. So we have a shortcut for this too. You have a number row on your keyboard, right? The numbers above the letters. The first three numbers, 1, 2, and 3, are dedicated for select mode. So 1 is for vertex select, 2 is for edge select, and 3 is for face select modes. By the way, you can just delete this cube and Shift A and check other mesh objects. As you can see, these are meshes. These are also called geometry. When you insert a mesh object, you can go into edit mode and you can change the geometry, right? This is also called geometry, these shapes, different shapes. You can manipulate them. Essentially, what you do to make any 3D model is to transform, manipulate, create these three elements, edges, vertices, edges, and faces to make any 3D model. Now it's time for questions. My first question is, what is edit mode and how do we activate it? So edit mode is essentially a mode in Blender which allows us to edit, model, or manipulate the components of a 3D model. It is edit mode which allows us to edit 3D models or model more 3D models, right? So how do we activate it? We activate it, we go into edit mode by pressing tab. So select the desired mesh or 3D model and press tab to go into edit mode. The second question is, what are those three essential elements, three building blocks of a 3D model? So those three building blocks are points, which are called vertices in Blender, vertex, vertices, and edge, these black lines, which connects these points, and three faces or polygons, which fill between these vertices edges. Yeah, these are three building blocks. The next question is, how do we change the select mode so that we can select vertices, or if you want, we can select edges and faces. We can come right here and change the select mode, or we can use shortcuts, which are 1, 2, and 3 on our number row above the letters. So this is it. I hope to see you in the next video.